You guys, South Carolina is imploding right now. Earlier this week, I talked about the preacher's son who kept 4 adults captive in his basement for years. And now we've got this Charleston, South Carolina judge, James Gosnell Jr., who has been accused and arrested for CSAM and acting on SA behavior to infants as young as 2 weeks old. This is also the same judge who was over the Dylan Roof case. Remember the Charleston church shooting? And in 2003, he was reprimanded for using the N-word in court. It's clear this guy is nasty. This video is going to keep getting worse, so hang in there. So James was caught because of a tip. Of course, when checking his digital footprint, to which James admitted to all of this, they found a USB flash drive with hundreds of videos of CSAM. But not only that, there was a Telegram group where he was communicating with other PDF files. Very explicit conversations about things that they had done, want to do. Even talked about being romantically involved with another man that had these fetishes of abusing other children together. He even planned a trip to meet this one guy in Florida so that they could jointly grape an infant son. These other conversations reveal numerous instances in which they did just that. Remember, as I said in the beginning, some as young as 2 weeks old. In another conversation, he described abusing a 5-month-old in public in his neighborhood and later sent a selfie of himself and a 2-year-old child with the message, "My new buddy." He even traveled so that he could essay a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old. Now, authorities are asking if anyone has tips to email this right here. Now, guys, the judge was scheduled to appear Monday to determine whether they would grant him a bond. But that hearing only lasted about 5 minutes. And that was so that Gosnell's attorney could ask the court for 2 more days before their preliminary hearing. However, the judge has now waived that right to this hearing, which means that he's just going to continue to be held in jail for now because he knows there's no getting out of this shit.